How to make a trading journal in Notion. Want to improve your trading discipline? Let's build a trading journal in Notion step by step. So, start with the trading dashboard. Go ahead and create a trading dashboard by creating a new page. And then name this new page as trading dashboard. And then on the content, go ahead and create trade log database. So go ahead and enter slash table view and then name this as trades log database. So go ahead and track the date, ticker entry and exit prices, position size, and profit or loss. Add notes for your strategy and mindset during the trade. Now set up a performance tracker and add properties for total trades, win rate, average, risk reward, and net profit. Use formulas to calculate results automatically. Add a reflection section where you write down your pre-trade plan and post-trade review. Embed screenshots or charts to visualize what happened. This helps you learn from each trade. You can also link your trades log to your performance tracker. Rollups can show average profit per strategy or per ticker, giving you deeper insights into what works best.